Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing exactly what I eat in a day, my healthy, balanced, and realistic version. No crazy diets, no guilt, no restriction, just real food, good vibes, and routines that actually make me feel good inside and out. I get tons of questions like, what do you eat to stay energized and still enjoy food? So this video is my honest full-day food diary, breakfast, snacks, lunch, dinner, everything, plus my mindset around eating healthy without being obsessed. So grab a drink, hit that like button, and spend the day with me. Morning. Starting with energy and intention, I usually wake up around 7 a.m., and before I even look at my phone, I drink a big glass of warm water with lemon. I know it sounds cliche, but it seriously wakes me up from the inside out. It helps with digestion and makes me feel fresh and ready to move. Then comes my absolute favorite part of the morning breakfast. My go-to combo lately has been whole grain toast with natural peanut butter, sliced banana on top, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a hot cup of coffee or oat milk latte. It's quick, filling, and gives me lasting energy without making me feel heavy. If I'm working out early, I'll make a pre-workout smoothie, banana, oats, unsweetened cocoa, and almond milk. It tastes like dessert but fuels my workout perfectly. Something that really changed my mornings was learning to eat slowly and mindfully. Instead of rushing, I sit down, breathe, and actually taste my food. Eating with intention makes me feel calmer and helps me notice when I am satisfied, not stuffed. Mid-morning snack, keeping the energy steady a couple hours after breakfast. I usually get hungry again, especially if I've been editing or running errands. Instead of reaching for random snacks, I plan ahead. My philosophy is, a snack is another chance to nourish your body, not just fill time. So my mid-morning snack is usually something like a crisp apple with peanut butter or fresh berries with plain Greek yogurt, or a handful of mixed nuts and seeds sometimes, when I know the day will be busy. I prep homemade granola bars with oats, honey, and chia seeds. They're portable, crunchy, and actually keep me full. This small habit, having healthy snacks ready, saves me from making impulsive food choices when I am starving. Lunch. Colorful, balanced, and satisfying. Now for lunch. Honestly, my favorite meal of the day. For me, a good lunch has to check 3 boxes. Colorful. The more colors, the more nutrients. Balanced protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Tasty, because healthy should still taste amazing. Here's what a typical lunch looks like for me. Brown rice or quinoa, lentils or beans for fiber and protein. Grilled chicken, tofu, or salmon. Lots of sautéed veggies like zucchini, carrots, broccoli, and bell peppers, and a fresh salad on the side with greens, cucumber, tomato, and seeds. I love seasoning with fresh herbs, olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic instead of store-bought sauces. It keeps everything vibrant and real. And yes, I usually have a little dessert, a square of dark chocolate, because balance isn't about saying no forever, it's about saying yes in a mindful way. Afternoon, snacks and hydration after lunch. I dive into work again, emails, editing, shooting content. By around 4 p.m., I always crave something light. That's my afternoon coffee or tea moment. It's not just about the caffeine, it's my pause in the day. Some snack combos I love. Yogurt with granola and berries. Whole grain toast with smashed avocado and chia seeds. Banana oat pancakes. So easy, just mash, mix, and cook. And of course, hydration is key. I always keep a water bottle nearby and try to drink at least 2 liters daily. Sometimes I infuse it with lemon or mint for extra freshness. Drinking enough water keeps my skin glowing, helps my digestion, and honestly, it's one of the simplest health hacks ever. Evening, dinner that feels good by the time dinner rolls around. I want something light but nourishing. My body doesn't crave heavy foods at night anymore, just comfort. Here are some of my go-to dinners. Creamy veggie soup with whole grain toast. Omelet packed with veggies and a side salad. A quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables, chickpeas, and tahini dressing. These meals are easy, colorful, and satisfying. I used to think eating light at night meant being hungry, but actually, it's about choosing foods that digest easily and let your body rest. Also, I always avoid scrolling on my phone while eating dinner. I light a candle, sit at the table, and let it be my little moment of calm before bedtime. Night ritual. Winding down after dinner, I like to disconnect. Dim lights, no screens, maybe a short walk or stretch. Then I make myself a cup of chamomile or fennel tea. If I crave something sweet, I mix Greek yogurt with cocoa powder and a drizzle of honey. It's my chocolate pudding hack that actually fits my healthy routine. This moment before sleep is sacred to me. I use it to reflect, journal, or practice gratitude. Food fuels the body, but calm fuels the soul. My healthy eating mindset throughout this journey. One of the biggest lessons I've learned is that eating healthy is not about perfection. It's about consistency, awareness, and self-respect. Here are a few reminders that guide me every day. Plan ahead. It saves time and reduces stress. Keep healthy options visible. What you see is what you'll eat. Don't skip meals. It messes with your energy and mood. Allow flexibility. Food is part of life, not a punishment. Move your body, not for calories, but for joy. And remember, health isn't measured just by what's on your plate, it's how you feel, think, and treat yourself. So that's my what I eat in a day, healthy edition. I hope this gives you ideas, motivation, or maybe just a little inspiration to reconnect with food in a positive way. Eating healthy doesn't mean restriction, it means listening to your body, fueling it with love, and enjoying every bite. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments which meal you'd love me to film next. Maybe the banana pancakes, or the quinoa bowl. Remember, small, consistent habits make the biggest difference. You don't have to change everything overnight. Just start with one meal, one habit, one small win at a time. Thank you for spending the day with me. Take care of your body, feed your soul, and live lightly.